Hi, boys and girls. The first thing you do today is going to be your writing journal. Now, this writing journal is a little bit tricky because we have to think about an animal story that we know, and we have to rewrite the beginning in a way that will grab the reader's attention. Now, I've done this a few times, and I've just been debating. I think we're going to get rid of animal, the word animal, even though the whole point of us using animal in this story is we're going to be learning about some animal stories that are really funny. So if you can still remember a story with animals in it that you could change the beginning. The one that always comes to mind with me is the Three Little Pigs. Another one that comes to my mind sometimes is the Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I guess there's a thing with threes in our stories. There is also Chicken Little, which some kids have heard of and some haven't. I am totally okay if you want to use a Disney. Now, you're actually not writing this, so don't write this. I'm trying to give you some ideas, okay? But then there's also, you could possibly think about like Frozen or the story Pets. There's so many different options out there. If you can't find anything with an animal, just think about a story that you know. Now, the key and the thing I'm really going to be looking for is up here. And that is going to be rewrite the beginning in a way that will grab the reader's attention. If I say to you that I like to read about pets, is that going to grab your attention? Probably not. But if you want, maybe mention, there once was a big bad wolf that managed to destroy 3 homes in just one night. That's kind of grasping the reader's attention. So I'm going to erase these things just to kind of give you an idea of what you need to do. If it'll erase for me. And I want you to be thinking about these animal stories. Now, you're going to write a complete paragraph. And a complete paragraph in 4th grade is 5 sentences. So that very first sentence that you're going to do, you're going to try to capture the attention of your reader. So you're going to want a topic sentence that captures the attention of the reader. Okay? So your topic sentence is going to capture the attention. Then you're going to give me 3 details about the story. And then finally, you're going to do a wrap-up sentence. Now, boys and girls, hopefully you've thought of a story you can use. Do not, I repeat, do not do this section today. That is after I meet with you about the top section. We're going to talk about the bottom. So I'm looking for capitals. I'm looking for punctuation. I'm looking for, you're going to grab my attention. And I'm looking for complete sentences. Okay? So boys and girls, do your best. And I cannot wait to read your amazing stories. Thank you.